This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a Honda TRX400EX. Changing your oil is important and very easy to do. Now Honda recommends changing your oil at 20 hours or 100 miles, and then every 100 hours or 600 miles. So today I'm going to show you how to do that on this 99 400EX. Now these procedures will be very similar on all Honda 400EXs, but you'll need to check with your OEM service manual to be sure. To do this job, you'll need some basic hand tools, rags, gloves, and safety glasses, and a copy of your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. Today we're using the Tusk oil change kit because it comes with everything we need to do the job. First thing we need to do is start our engine and warm it up. Now we've elevated our machine to get better access. You don't need to do this, but if you do, do it in a safe manner. Now let's place the drain pan underneath the machine. Now let's remove the dipstick. Now let's remove both drain plugs. There's one on the engine and there's one on the dry sump system tank. Now let's remove the old crush washers and use some contact cleaner to clean our drain plugs. And now we'll install new crush washers on our drain plugs. Now let's remove the oil filter cover bolts. And now the cover, along with the filter. Now be careful not to lose the spring. Let's use some contact cleaner and a rag to clean all the areas. Now let's remove the O-ring and clean our cover. Now let's use some new engine oil and coat our new O-ring and install our O-ring on the cover. Now let's coat the O-ring on the oil filter. Now let's install the oil filter and spring and cover. Now the oil filter is only going to go in one way. Just make sure that the rubber is facing out. Now let's install our oil filter cover bolts and torque them to 7 foot-pounds. Now let's install the oil tank drain plug and torque it to 14 foot-pounds. We can also install the engine drain plug and torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Now let's add 1.5 quarts of oil. Now let's start the machine, let it warm up for a few minutes, and then shut it off and we will check the oil level. You need the oil between the upper and lower marks, preferably closer to the upper mark. And that's it. That's all there is to changing the oil on your TRX400EX. Come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com for more parts, apparel, and accessories. And if you like what you see here, please comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.